Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Support YouTube channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to submit your tax return electronically to the CRA using TaxTron software on a Mac computer. If you are filing for the first time, this video is for you. Once you have completed your tax return and you are ready to submit it, follow these steps to send it to the CRA, whether you are in steps mode or form mode. The process is the same. If you are married and filing together, each spouse still needs to submit their return separately. If you haven't seen our previous video on preparing a joint return, make sure to watch how to get started with TaxTron T1 software. Let's begin by opening the return that's ready to send. Go to the top menu bar, click on Transmission, and then select Netfile. A pop-up will appear asking if you like to register your email to receive CRA notifications. You can enter your email and sign up, or simply click Continue to skip this step. Then you will need to activate the software before sending the return. So click on OK. Do you want to register the license now? Enter your personal details and the license number from your purchase email. If you haven't purchased a license yet, click on Buy License. Let's purchase the license. And enter it here. Once entered, click Activate. You will see a prompt, your software is now activated. Thank you for choosing TaxTron. Click OK to continue. You will now see a message that says, this action will use a license on the server. Click OK to proceed. Now, if there are any red diagnostic error on your return, the dialog box will open saying, your return is not eligible for Netfile. Click on OK. And on the bottom clear all the red errors by clicking on each error. The yellow caution we don't need to fix. These are there for information purposes. Once all the errors are fixed, click on Transmission again, and Netfile. Then again Continue. Next is the Netfile work chart. Read it carefully and check the applicable boxes, then click OK to move on. Answer 2 questions. Are you filing previous year's returns? Select Yes or No. Is this your first time filing a tax return? Again, select Yes or No. Click Continue to proceed. You will now be asked for your Netfile access code, NAC. It's a code from last year's Notice of Assessment. If you have it, you can enter it under the Identification tab. Otherwise, choose Yes to proceed without the NAC. It won't affect your ability to file. Review the Netfile terms and conditions. Check the confirmation box, and click Continue. Finally, you will see a message, .tax file has been generated, do you want to transmit now? Click Yes. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message and your Netfile confirmation number. If rejected, the CRA will display the reason, review it, fix the issue, and repeat the steps to resubmit. And that's how you submit your tax return to the CRA using TaxTron. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.